Hi, this is Patty. Welcome back to our training videos. Today, we're going to start with our basic elements up in the upper left-hand corner of our editor. The first one we're going to talk about is our box element. Um, this is great and can be used for creating many different things in your slides. I'm just going to open up our box right now and bring it front and center. By default, they are always gray. You'll use the handles here to enlarge the box or decrease the size, whichever one you want. You can make it as slim as you want. You can make it as big. If you double click, it's going to go full screen, which would make it a nice backdrop. Or you can double click and then use it for any other purpose. We're going to change the color here so it's a little bit easier to see. So I'll just give it a blue color. Right below the background color is our border, and I have a size of 9 on there right now, and it's a graphite color. I'm going to change it to red so it stands out. Now on the border size, you can increase those numbers so it widens your border, or decrease and it thins it out. You can also type in your numbers, whatever number dimension you want to give it. The rounded corners down here will just give it a nice soft edge so they're not so harsh. However you would like to use it for your application. If you're making a banner, you can make it a rectangle and then have a nice soft edge around it. With the box, you are capable of rounding out those corners all the way. So the farther I go to round these out, notice I turn into a pill format, and it turns into a nice ellipse. On the right-hand corner down here, we can also make this into a circle. All I need to do is make my width and my height the same. So if I make this 500, and I make the height 500, now I've got a perfect circle. This is the only element where you can get a perfect circle, is in the Box app. Now you can add animation to it if you wanted it to fly in right when the slide opens up, and if you wanted it to have a heartbeat, you can certainly put that on there too. So we'll just see how that looks. And there you have it. So that is our box element. Stay tuned for additional element tutorials.